How to keep mulch weed-free. Mulch is quite useful in your landscaping and garden. It's typically applied around trees, shrubs, flowers and garden plants. Not only does it make your yard and garden look more attractive, but it also helps hold in needed moisture for the plants to grow better. Mulch also helps keep down weeds. However, just placing mulch on the soil doesn't always do the trick. Weeds can still make their way up through it. To keep weeds out of your mulch, you need to create a barrier. Things you'll need: garden rake, newspaper, garden hose. Pick up large tree branches, rocks and other items that are in the area you're going to mulch. Pull weeds and any other existing vegetation that you don't want to grow there. Rake the area to clear it of rocks, twigs and other debris. You'll also want to rake the dirt to level it as much as possible. Spread sheets of newspaper on the ground to cover the area. After you put down the first layer, wet it thoroughly with a garden hose. Wet each additional layer before you apply the next one. The wetness will help hold it in place. Dump the desired amount of mulch on top of the newspaper to keep it free from pesky weeds. Carefully spread it around to the depth you want. Your plants will now be protected because the newspaper will block weeds from growing. Tips: warnings. You can use as many layers of newspaper as you choose. Garden Ideas recommends placing a layer of 6 to 8 sheets in between rows of plants. Newspaper is an effective weed barrier because it recycles the product. It's also biodegradable. Avoid using colored, glossy newspaper pages.